Assalamu alaikum. Thank you so much, everybody, for liking, viewing, and subscribing my channel. I'm a teacher, so my day was quite exhausting and tiring, and so that's why I could not take some time to make the video. But as I notified yesterday that my next video will come on Monday, so it was not fair to not make a video. Again, this video is going to be very short so you people can watch it till the end. I am going to give you a tip and I'm going to tell you about today's content also. Today, I will tell you that what is the most important ingredient and remedy if you want to be a public speaker, if you want to be a confident public speaker, and if you want to be fluent in English. So there is the only remedy, that is read. Reading is the only remedy, which sounds quite boring, but it is not. It is hard to start reading, but it will give you all the fun and all the pleasure if you read the books of your own interest. Whatever your interest is, if you want to read novels, romantic, or if you want to read the serious content books, you will read and you will learn knowledge, you will gain knowledge, and if you will have knowledge, and if you would have enough knowledge, abundant knowledge, you could talk anywhere, anytime, in front of anybody, no matters. It would not, you know, um, it would not horrify that with whom you are talking actually, if you are having knowledge, and you will gain knowledge through books. Okay, because when you read, you can't forget. If you see, you will forget. If you read, you will never forget, because this is my mantra actually. If I watch TV and I watch news, I can forget it easily, but if I have read the book and I have gained knowledge through book, I would not forget that too easily. Okay, my favorite places had been always bookshops, bookstalls, and even on Sunday, when I would visit the bookstores, I would enjoy. I could, skip buying a branded dress, but I could never resist in buying a book. Okay, then I think we should start today's vlog also, and it will be hardly 1.5 minutes. I'm gonna tell you about my book which I have recently completed, and that is this: Elif Shafak, 10 minutes 38 seconds in this strange world. She's a Turkish writer, and her books are uh, actually, she's one of those finest authors whose stories could not let you go anywhere. You would read them till the end, because the story is so evolving and it grabs your all of her stories grab your attention and could not lose a reader's attention easily. So when you are reading Elif Shafak, whether you are reading Sidney Sheldon, or I mean, their stories and their turns and twists, you will enjoy a lot. What is in this story actually? I have read three of Elif Shafak's books. This is the third book I have read, and it is about a female prostitute, how she became, what kind of circumstances she gone through, and how she dealt with all those, and the the scene where she was describing her death scene, and how what was she thinking. It's like it was an assumption, but what was a dead body, what a dead body actually thinks, who could know that, but how a person thinks after death, that how did he or she pass her life, and what acts they did, and how she craved for happiness, and how she longed for happiness and love and peace and struggles. It's an amazing book. And then it all the chapters were actually um, completed in 10 minutes and 38 seconds. So I encourage and I advise all of you, you should go and get this book. You could get it easily in 230 250 rupees or 300 from old bookshop, so you would love and enjoy the reading and enjoy reading this book. It's amazing. Thank you so much for watching my video. Keep appreciating me, keep subscribing me, and please watch till the end. And if you find any flaw and mistake, do let me know. Thank you so much.